What go on, it's a Jamaican Ting TV fans, guys. What they don't know another day, another banger. Now, guys, we're in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Matter of fact, guys, we're at Central Village right now. Now we're heading to a nice little spot, guys. Nice little spot. We're heading to a nice little spot here in St. Catherine. Yeah. Now, I try give you guys, you don't know, the videos like I really want to, because I want to give you guys we call it now. I want to make sure you guys know where you're going. If you decide to watch one of my videos, I want you guys to know where you're going. And I also want you guys to know these beautiful, you don't know, attractions and spots in Jamaica. So I want to basically give you the direction, you don't know, if you're traveling, and showcase, you don't know, the hype spot where we are going at the same video. So I'm at Central Village right now, guys. Now I'm going to take you guys on a short travel journey to our destination and then show you the awesome spot. So if you don't subscribe yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. You understand? Like the video, guys. Like the video, and you don't know, share with friends and family. Comment in the comment section, guys. Watch the video to the end. Watch the ads as well, guys. The ads, our little benefit. When you guys watch the ads, that's our little benefit. So watch all the ads on the videos, guys. Now, at the Central Village, as I said before, I'm going to give you guys the direction. So pay attention, guys, to the direction to where we're going, alright? But the spot is an awesome spot, so stay tuned.
It's a Jamaican Ting TV. So come on and join with me. We're there for the exploration across the island. Don't miss this, the history. It's a Jamaican Ting TV. So come on and join with me. We're there for the exploration across the island. Don't miss this, the history. So come on and check out this channel. Dual is YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though to like, subscribe, comment and share. Yeah. Thank you.
So yeah, guys, as you can see, we're in Central Village. Now, you don't know, once you pass Central Village, we're actually in St. Andrew. Alright, so right as you're about to go on to ferry, there is this left turn here, guys. You don't know, you take the left turn right here over the bridge to go on to ferry, which overlooks the ending of the OJ Kingston toll. Alright, guys, so this is the direction you guys should turn onto. Now, it might seem as if we're going onto the toll towards OG, but no, we're taking this left turn here again, guys. Yeah, man, so we're not going onto the toll, guys. As you see, we're going onto this by road here. Now we're gonna take a right at this intersection, and as you guys can see, Caymanas. Alright, so we're heading towards Caymanas. So you take a right turn here, guys. Basically overlooking the toll road. You see? We're basically overlooking the toll road, guys, as you can see. Came over the bridge. Now we're heading towards Caymanas community, guys. Heading towards the Caymanas community. Slow horse crossing ahead. So you guys, lots of horses around this section at the area, so whenever I come them side here, be cautious. Yeah man, cause more like kind of horses crossing in the vicinity. Yeah guys, so almost in the Caymanas community. So there's actually Kingston Polo Club around this direction as well, guys. Hey, my life, I see them churches a shame. Anglican Church, St. Andrew, Caymanas Estate. New Testament Church. Now guys, we're gonna take a left towards Caymanas Golf Club or towards Caymanas Estate. Nice housing developments around here, guys. Caymanas Estate. And you don't know, straight ahead up the hill, you find Caymanas Golf Club. Yeah guys, so right after you pass Caymanas Estate, as I said before, straight up the road is Caymanas Golf Club. You take a left, a matter of fact, a right here. Take a right here. Now, sections of this road here is, you know, a bit bumpy, guys. So, yeah, just pick and choose a road and take your time and travel. Now we're like 10 minutes away from our destination. So you don't have to worry, we're not going too far. So stick right at the end of the estate wall. You can take a right, but you're going to take a left here across this mini bridge. Yeah man, take a right, a left here at this mini bridge. So we are going around the road, countryside. Well, you know, that's overlooking the mountains right there. Not too far away, guys. Not too far away from our destination. So yeah guys, we're in the community, you know, of this beautiful spot that we're going. Church of God of Prophecy, Caymanas Bay. Yeah, guys, you can see we're almost at our destination.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over
whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
So let's jump. some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Chilling wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. By my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Grumpy and Finch, man, rocket. Chat up a place and no for chill and camp. Don't follow shallow grave, we got dick pan farm. The light people, I great faith, make me live gone Mars. No love vibes of the jigs are fast. We make a zigzag charge, couple Glock on my rings and fat. Fat with palm, ooh, fuck a bitch. Now ask me half scam. Heartbreak, go read songs. Pull up a gate, key, yard. In a scat back, rap back, AC cool on the hot box. White t-shirt and a black jogs. Grab car, never back from bitch. All a bust and love off, you got swag. Believe the hot dogs. Now lies we bribe all the bad cops. Pussy party can't do the numb chop chop. It can't do the numb chop chop. Own for the life, my team and I miss. You know see any 50 you want drink. One drop the whip, the shoot on now itch. I bring the good girl, worrying on bitch. Fear got strong and crumpy and finch. Man rock each, I took a place and up to chill and calm. So fire shall not break, we go deep and farm. Guns can love guns, buys and a thump out. Yo, SD show them how the drum sound. Back switch shot more than cheer on. Press pan scheme on. Dead man face, I like.
Yo, for this, you know that and evil. Yo, hobby, start the vehicle.
What's wrong, car here? Rich so far here. Check it out, guys, in here. I don't want to be here. I don't want to be here. Say them a talk, man, I'm bigger now. Big president, they still a make speech. You chop a friend and die all elite. Catch check, shot for me, shove this again.
I don't wanna live without you. I don't wanna live, but I can live. I want the extra too. Oh, that's that. When me can go find love, when me can go pile up. Slave, them my feelings been tied up. Want see the night come, want some white rum. Many say for tea, but you can't keep my vibes up. What kind of life though? How you set a life though? Don't wanna love nowadays, you want to find out. Peace on my mind, and you see it at the final. At the final. Never go far job. Then girl I go for love and I'm not that. Yeah, the invest your time by your godfather. Just work by your craft, you won't come. When me can go find love, when me can go find love. Slave, them my feelings been tied up. Want see the night come, want some white rum. Many say for tea, but you can't keep my vibes up. What kind of life though? How they set a life though? Don't wanna love nowadays, you want to find out. The cheese from my mind, and you see it at the time now. At the time now. Never go fight now. Girl, I never love you and I'm not gonna fight. Cause the cheese from my mind, and you see it at the time now. tell you acquire the thing. Yeah, bad man doing a thing. Pocket full of numbers, so you buy the thing. Yeah, good for life, say get a thing. They want timing, ready.
Yeah man, so what I going guys, this is what I going. Yeah man, that was Caymanas Mineral Spa. Caymanas River and Mineral Spa. You see me? So that was it guys. You don't know, give you a view of what's going on over here at Caymanas Spa. Nice spa, you know, guys. Nice spa. Alright guys, so we're talking about, yeah man, you know, well awesome, beautiful Caymanas Spa. Caymanas Mineral Spa guys. Telling us that I'm going on another banger today, you know. Yeah man, telling us that I'm going on another banger today guys. Caymanas Mineral Spa. Yeah, so it's actually a mineral spa guys. So they actually, well, them say them actually test it and it's a mineral spa. I understand, so we definitely have to show you guys. You don't know our hot spots like these in Jamaica, you don't know. And this is right inside of St. Catherine. Yeah man, right inside of St. Catherine guys. Caymanas Mineral Spa. Yeah guys, so you don't know if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, drop a one like on the video, you know, guys. You don't know the thing go. Turn on the post notification bell. You don't know the thing come down. Yeah guys, you don't know it's a boy Duali checking out off Caymanas Mineral Spa. Yeah man, until the next time guys, make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you guys turn on the post notification bell so you guys get notified whenever we drop the next video. I don't know. So we're showcasing all over Jamaica man, all of the hot spot them, all of the chill spot them, all of the, you don't know, place them with a vibe. Yeah man, we're showing them all to you guys. So this is Caymanas River and Mineral Spa.
Envy that I'm gardens, then I could boy and chat off in my nose. I know you say, and now I don't wanna. My life been a movie, baby. Sometimes dark, sometimes crazy. Like but it come with a taxi. Feel your bitch a slap it up on the backseat. My gun brad but it come with a knock knee chop cheek. Got you 4 days of life. Pussy them a this I never seen inside. The bomb brain for the 2 of mine. Love it and it's come up on in a line. Then you ready for this, yeah. Stay until them a murder. And to me them a step for the murder. A little bit of money charge with no roller. Let me tell you something you know roller. We chop food, I know got food. Be a top ball and a roll with soul. I keep in my toe, see cool. I'm love her, she and she vibe, she and mood. Top ball and I don't care who doubt me. Money that, yeah, stick like cow shit. Run it here, no, I'm a lady, I hold it. Me live in the morning. Money line and me use and telephone. Jack that skull from Allah. Phone if my money you want, bitch up the man. So don't know when me talk. Them don't know I start. Yeah. Young things man tell them a murder. And kill them a sick to the murder. They think a little bit of money chop with no roller.
She's stuck in her hole. She's stuck in her hole. Yeah, look to the big boy. You can't come through that.
She a call me and I say she want pull up cause she on me. Anything we say I pull cause she want. Yeah, dude. Them boy that pussy that. You know I cheat watch them, isn't it?